Well, good morning, paper engineers in training. This is my old office here. Uh, as you have seen in the past, I had shelving all in there and all kinds of stuff. Well, I'm going to be moving out and I have to find a place for all of this, and I've got to build a new office. This is really a traumatic situation. And now, when I say build a new office, I'm talking about building it in the back of the fifth wheel. That's what I got to do. And all of these things have got to go there. And you can see my awards. I've went to 5 county fairs in the state of Washington. I've won everything that you can do. So anyway, I love you all, Paper Army, and thank you for your support and for your help. This move is going to be terribly traumatic on my brain as well as on my everything else. Anyway, you guys, thank you all for joining my phone show and coming here and watching the things I do. As you know, I am working on the Hammerhead Corvette right now. I have got other things that you can see. I have collected stuff for 17 years for my craft. That especially, all around stuff I got. It's very important. Oh, I got to show you something else. See this down here? This is one of those heavy duty Amazon mailer bags. Now I'll tell you what, that is some stiff paper. So if you ever need to use paper and not chipboard, that works really good right there. It's amazing stuff. Now, my Star Destroyer, who can do that? Oh, look at that. That is the Titanic body. Now that's, I'm not making a model kit of the Titanic. I'm making a paper Titanic, but I'm going to use the dimensions from that model kit. And as you can see, there it is. Well, and there's Cupcake. I don't know what I'm going to do with her. She may not take the move very well either. But anyway, you guys, I love you all. Thank you for your help and for your kindness and for coming to my phone show and making it the spectacular thing that it is. All right, you guys, I don't know what else to say. I think I've covered everything. Oh, and I got to show you this. I got this vise at a garage sale for $2, and it is a third hand for me when I need it. But anyway, okay, you guys. Oh, wait, there's more stuff right there. As you can see, I made a lot of my organizers out of cardboard, because that's the only thing cardboard's good for, is organizers. I got that organizer at a garage sale for 25 cents. And it was empty. I have filled it mostly with greebles and stuff. And it won't open when I want it to. But anyway, get out of the way. There we go. Now you can see it. Boy, oh boy. And then these tools and little bits and pieces here and there and more round stuff. Anyway, thank you all very much for your support. Thank you for helping me with getting hypes on my videos. This one should be long enough, I hope, for a hype. But anyway, there are some of my paints. I've been collecting paints for a long time. That group right there next to the Pepsi box, that's original. That's 17 years old. I filled it a couple of different times, a couple of different places of paint, and other ones I have not used. But anyway, and the Dragonfly, yep, and Lucille and Michonne's Katana. But anyway, this is all the cool stuff that you can do with paper. Recycled paper, right here. And remember, this is chipboard, not particle board, and not cardboard. Although they call it cardboard in Europe, it is not. And you guys know it. It's just a generic name for their recycling bins. Okay, and one of these days, I hope to find, this is actual, wait a second, can I get that in there? Will that focus? No, it won't focus. This is actually cardboard. Yeah, you can see it. I'd like to find this. This actually works. Okay, Paper Army, salute. I love y'all. Take care.